This is how to make a Lewis structure and determine the VSEPR shape of the molecule. If my molecule is CO2, first thing I'm going to do, step 1, is determine my valence electrons. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, oxygen has 6, and there's 2 of them, so that gives me 12. So total I have 16 valence electrons. With those 16 valence electrons, I first make my skeleton. I have my carbon in the middle, attached to an oxygen, attached to an oxygen. Next, I'm going to fill everybody's octet, because that's ideally what I'd like. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 and 8. Carbon needs to add 2 more, because it has 2 from a bond here and a bond here. And then my oxygen needs to have 6 more electrons added because it has 2 from my bond. Okay, so then I count how many electrons do I have. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well, that's too many. So what I need to do is I need to take a pair. So I will remove electrons from here, and I will take another pair from my carbon, and I will make them share and draw a new bond here. Then I count again. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Again, 2 too many. So I again will take a pair, and make them share, and I'll count a third time. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 valence electrons. I have the correct number of valence electrons available, and every molecule now has 8 electrons, as you can see from 2, 4, 6, 8. My carbon has 2, 4, 6, 8, and my oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, take a look at my molecule here. Currently, my electrons are at 90-degree angles to each other, and I don't want that because electrons repel each other. So I go ahead, in the new screen, I put, again, my carbon, doubly bonded to my oxygen, and my second oxygen, and now I want to show my electrons in their location, which is equally distant from each other and equally distanced away from the electrons during the bond. So this is my final structure. I look and I have 3 total bonded atoms. I have no lone pairs. So my bonded atoms to my central atom is 2 bonded to central atom. I have no lone pairs. And my shape of my molecule is just a straight line, so it is linear. To name my molecule, I have a non-metal, a non-metal, and a non-metal. Therefore, I need to use prefixes, and I start with my central atom of carbon and 2 oxygens, dioxide. My atom, if I draw a line straight down the middle here, it's symmetric, so it is non-polar. And there you have it.